In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn Trello into a digital planner. First, open Trello and head to your boards page. This is your starting hub where all your existing boards live and where you'll create your planner. Once you're there, look to the top of the screen and click Create. That button is your shortcut to building a brand new board, or even better, starting from a ready-made layout. From the Create menu, choose Start with a template. Templates are great because they come with lists, cards, and structure already in place, so you spend less time setting up and more time planning. Next, select Explore Templates. This opens the full template gallery where Trello groups starter boards by category like personal, project management, and productivity. You can scroll to browse, but the fastest path is to use the search bar. For this example, type Daily Task Planner in the search. You'll see a template designed for organizing your day into manageable pieces. Click into its page to preview how it's set up. Typically, you'll find lists like To Do, Doing, and Done, along with example cards that show you how the system works. When you're ready, click Use Template. This tells Trello to copy that structure into your account. You'll now be prompted to give your new board a title. Pick something descriptive like My Digital Planner or Daily Focus Board. Clear names make it easier to find your planner later and keep multiple boards organized if you create more than one. Next, choose the workspace where this board should live. If you collaborate with others, select the workspace you share. If this is just for you, place it in your personal workspace. Keep in mind that different plan tiers have limits on boards and features, so choose the space that fits how you'll use it. Finally, click Create. Trello will build your digital planner using that templates, lists, and example cards, and you'll land right on the board ready to go. From here, you can immediately start adding your tasks as cards, dragging them between lists as you work through your day. If you want to personalize later, you can rename lists to match your routine, use labels to categorize priorities, add due dates to cards for reminders, and view tasks on a calendar if that's part of your plan. The key is that the heavy lifting is done, the structure is in place, and you can focus on planning and execution. That's it. Your Trello board is now a functional digital planner created quickly and tailored to your workflow.